Aries, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see Aries. What's up? Okay, you have Pluto in the 9th house. Pluto in Cancer in the 9th house. 9th house is about higher learning. Maaring iba sa'yo nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening. May pagbabago ng inyong belief system kasi Pluto is the planet of transformation, pagbabago, endings, new beginnings. The Cancer energy is about nurturing. So, pag-aalaga. So, I think, itong mga changes na nangyayari sa'yo, aware ka na itong pagbabago na to ay para sa kabutihan mo. Yung iba, maaring meron kayong oportunidad rin sa abroad. This can be international travel or international na trabaho, or collaboration with others na sa ibang bansa. And also 9th house is your mentor, your learning process. So pwedeng yung iba babalik kayo sa school. May pag-aaralan nyo ulit yung naiwan ninyo before na let's say hindi mo natapos yung college mo, babalik ka. Or yung iba naman pwedeng magte-take ng higher level ng learning. So from bachelor's magte-take ng masteral or magte-take ng doctorate. Some of you naman pwedeng merong I'm sensing lilipat, lipat ng bahay or lipat ng country, na titirahan ninyo. So, you have Tiwas. Tiwas is about victory, leadership. So, maaring meron kayong leadership role na i-assume ngayong March. So, may promotion sa trabaho or meron kang bigger responsibility sa career mo, sa business mo ngayong March. And this is also having the courage, no? May lakas ng loob ka na ipagpatuloy yung iyong mga adhikain, yung mga goals mo sa buhay. You also have Perthro. So, this is gaining knowledge, strengthening your intuition. So, some of you, spiritual awakening to nakikita ko talaga. Na merong nagme-mentor sa inyo na itong mentor na to, spiritual mentor, spiritual teacher, na talagang fina-follow ninyo at nagre-resonate kayo sa mga teachings niya. And you are kumbaga yung excited ka sa mga tinuturo niya and you really want to grow your knowledge about your new belief system. You also have Fehu. Fehu is about prosperity, wealth, generosity. So, yung resources, yung abundance that is going to come to you ngayong March, it's overflowing. And abundance is also hindi lang siya sa sa material na bagay, abundance in creativity, 'di ba? Abundance in your health, maayos na kalusugan. So you will experience wealth, good things in life ngayong March. And some of you may also receive a gift or help, tulong, assistance from others sa panahon na kailangan mo. Can be any type of assistance, financial assistance, or any assistance, advice, resources. Let's see what else. You have Ascendant, which is yourself, no? Sarili mo. Ascendant is in your 1st house. It's about how you present yourself to the world. So, some of you meron talagang bagong pananaw sa buhay. May bago kang perspective sa buhay. You have the energy of Taurus. Taurus is about stability, about resources. So, maaring talagang ang isa sa focus ninyo ngayong March is to gain stability sa mga needs mo, sa resources mo. Maaring yung iba rin focusing on self-care kasi this is about yourself rin. So, practicing self-care, self-love, you are going to have this glow up na i-improve mo yung sarili mo, yung physical looks mo, and even your sources of income, mag-i-improve din. Also have retrograde, which is about self-reflection. So, nire-review mo kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ayusin, i-improve sa buhay mo, at kung ano yung dapat mo nang i-let go. Nire-reassess mo yung situation mo ngayon. Okay, your overall energy is the Ten of Swords. Some of you might be letting go of a situation na sa tingin mo is it's over na. It's in kumbaga sobra na. Tama na. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, whatever, kung ano man yung difficult situation na meron kayo, na gumugulo sa isip nyo ngayon, patapos na yan. Oo. You are, I think itong, yung iba sa inyo, stress, no? Nasa-stress sa mga experiences ninyo. You are dealing with anxiety, depression. But, I think itong transformation na to, spiritual awakening that you will go through ngayong March, yun yung magpapalaya sa'yo. Na may mga bagay na hindi ka kontrolado at hindi mo kailangang kontrolin. You just need to surrender. Your challenge is the Temperance. So, challenge mo ngayon is how to be more patient. Maari kasing medyo yung parang nagmamadali, gusto mo kapag sinimulan mo, makakakita ka agad ng resulta, na sa madalas na panahon hindi talaga ganoon, no? Na kailangan alam mo kung kailan ka dapat maghintay, alam mo kung ano yung term na isang bagay para mahintay mo kung ano yung magiging resulta nito. Some of you, ang isa rin sa challenge ninyo ay yung kalusugan. So, if there is something that you need to work on, improve on sa health ninyo, gawin nyo na, ayusin nyo na, para hindi na siya maging problema in the future. Your opportunity is the Five of Swords. So, as an opportunity, pwedeng mas magiging competitive ka ngayong March, competitive sa sarili mo. Yun yung pinaka-best na competition kasi you want to be a better version of yourself. Na minsan, yes, nakukumpara natin yung sarili natin sa iba, yung growth natin sa iba, yung journey natin, but we have a unique path na yun yung mas bibigyan mo ng attention. And I think meron kang sarili mong realization of the things na dapat mo nang tigilan, dapat mo nang i-let go. And then your focus is Champion of Pentacles. So, as your focus ngayong March, focus ka sa finances mo, financial stability, focus ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, lalo na kung iba sa inyo na promote, may bago kayong responsibility, na kailangan yung gampanan. And then, your blessing is the Three of Swords. So, as a blessing, meron ditong disappointment sa buhay mo na para siyang blessing in disguise sa'yo, na akala mo sa una hindi to maganda para sa'yo, but eventually, you will realize na, kaya pala nangyari yun. Oo, kasi it's for your own good. Kaya nga may magbabago sa perspective mo sa buhay na kung dati mabilis kang ma-stress pag may challenge, ngayon iniisip mo na it's a learning opportunity for you. Situations in the balance that require careful handling. So maaring ngayong March meron kang aasikasuhin na kailangan mong pag-isipang maigi. This can be sa career mo. someone working against you behind your back. Ayan. So, ito rin yung maaring marireveal sa'yo ngayong March. Yung mga taong kailangan mong pag-ingatan. Oo, lalo na sa workplace or merong mga anong tawag dyan? Masyado silang competitive sa'yo. Mapapansin mo yan eh. Compliments from an admirer. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong admirer. Itong admire na to, hindi naman laging romantic yan, no? So, pwedeng kahit sino mag-admire sa'yo. So, yun yung paghuhugutan mo ng, ng inspiration, 'di ba? Temporary problems, yes. So, lahat naman tayo nakaka-experience ng problema, lahat naman yan may solusyon as long as magiging open ka lang doon sa mga dapat mong ayusin para masolusyonan mo yung problema mo na yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.